In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on TRX future while talking about Tron cost estimate for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Tron. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Tron value expectation and answer questions in the event that TRX truly is a wise venture or not, for what reason will TRX succeed or for the most part fall flat, or for what reason will Tron value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is TRX and its to-date history. Tron value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin especially has drooped half from its untouched in every way that really matters, high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers for the most part are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play and consequently the auction incredibly. Our algo still sees some green in 2022. Particularly in the by and large second piece of the year. This is truly reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course in a significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and certainly later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the extremely next 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We in every practical sense, expect whales and especially other genuinely greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Tron value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 21.35% $0. 0485. 2022 November minus 29.27% $0. 0436, 2022 December, which generally is genuinely critical. Minus 32.79% $0. 0414, 2023 January minus 21.60% $0. 0483, 2023 February minus 18.78% $0. 0500, 2023 Blemish, minus 17.87% $0. 0506, 2023 April minus 6.85% $0. 0574, 2023 May, minus 6.44% $0. 0576, 2023 June plus 2.04% $0. 0629, 2023 July plus 8.72% $0. 0670, 2023 August, which is very huge, plus 7.88% $0. 0665, 2023 September plus 18.80% $0.0732 TRX value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees TRX coming to $0.1245 in 2025. What will TRX be worth in 5 years, or so they basically thought. The cost of TRX in 5 years could lie around $0. Tron value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Tron will be worth in 2030. Our Guajing model sees Tron coming to $0 in 2030. What Tron will in a real sense be truly worth in 2040. Our Guajing model sees Tron coming to $0 in 2040. Will Tron supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin, which basically is very huge? No, Tron won't supplant or surpass BTC in a significant manner. Could Tron at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Tron to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Might Tron at any point basically reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Tron to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Might Tron at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Tron to reach $100 in the genuinely short or midterm period, or so they thought. How high will Tron go? Our determining model sees Tron cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Tron truly worth purchasing in a huge manner? We really don't see an extremely splendid future for Tron. It is in every practical sense worth purchasing just as an extremely momentary theory with a decent leave procedure, or so they thought. Tron is certainly not a decent long-haul hold, which is very critical. Is Tron a for the most part wise venture? Tron is certainly not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage contest from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, not including examiners and publicity pursuing group, and the group behind the venture is problematic. Might Tron at any point for the most part make you a tycoon? No, Tron could not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. How especially will Tron in a real sense be worth in an extremely huge manner? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.0351. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will in all likelihood drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Tron in every way that really matters, succeed and become more expensive? Tron especially has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no remarkable incentive, it has a powerless group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Tron to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. What is the in every practical sense, momentary expectation for Tron? Tron will reach $0.0351 in the kind of next 90 days, which is a 43% change over the ongoing cost which floats around $0.0616. Tron value forecast today, what will be the cost of Tron tomorrow? Tron will drift around $0.0623 tomorrow. Could Tron at any point reach $1 in a significant manner? A few media distributions guarantee that Tron cost can reach $1 in under 5 years while likewise estimating that toward the finish of 2021